What's going on, crypto miners? Welcome back to the channel. Well, a few weeks ago, we went ahead and picked up these three RTX 3090s Facebook Marketplace for two of them, and one of them we nabbed off of eBay. And we discussed the fact of wanting to build an 8-card AI rig for the future. Build something big in a decent size and to get some decent hardware. Well, we kind of got that in. And I'm excited to get these unboxed. So I'm not going to sit here and go through every single one and opening them up. Let's go ahead and get these boxes out of the way in 3, 2, and 1. All right, so this is box number 1, which was the Fluminer box down there. And take a look. So as I talked about, we have three 3090s here. I have one in my Nosana rig out in the shed. And what do we have here? Well, first off, got these from a community member. Not sure if they want to be known. They reached out to me about selling them after seeing actually my previous video. And so he went ahead and sent these over to me. And so taking a look here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the RTX 3090 Founders Edition. Oh, these look so freaking good, even with a little bit of dust there. That looks amazing. I'm super hyped. Now, 3 out of the 4, he actually had the special cables that we need here, which is that lovely little 16 pin into the 2 of these 8 pins here. So I am gonna go ahead and have to pick up another cable. Not the end of the world for these, just something to keep in mind as I look at these moving forward. But we have all of these now. So I have 8 total RTX 3090s for this build. But now I need all the other essential parts, right? I need the motherboard. I need what CPU we're gonna use and the memory. So we got another box here. So let's go ahead and get that opened up. Today's video is proudly sponsored by Coin Mining Central, the UK's premier partner for ASIC mining hardware, available at coinminingsentral.com. With crypto mining hardware prices at historic lows, now is the perfect moment to invest in the ASIC miner you've been eyeing. Whether you're scaling up or just starting out, Coin Mining Central has you covered. For over 3 years now, I've trusted Coin Mining Central, a company with 6 years of industry experience, for their exceptional service and reliability, and I'm thrilled to continue partnering with their team. They consistently stock my go-to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Kaspa, and Aleo ASIC miners at highly competitive prices, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Worried about hardware issues? Rest easy. Every ASIC comes with a full manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. For a trusted, established, and secure way to buy your next ASIC, look no further than Coin Mining Central. Visit them today using the link in the video description below and unlock $120 off your order with exclusive discount code TheHobbyistMiner. Plus, check out their new reward program for even more exclusive discounts and benefits. Power up your mining journey with Coin Mining Central today. So we bought a number of motherboards and CPUs from another content creator, and they either love me or hate me because I love the packaging. I mean, this is awesome. Look how like protected these are, but oh my God, packing peanuts. They're gonna make such a mess. So this has to be one of the best pack jobs I've ever seen. So this is actually one motherboard with the heatsink and the processor still attached. This is another one. We also got 2 motherboards under here and 2 CPUs over here. This is insane. Now they did say they did bring it to like a shipping place and they did professionally pack them. And man, between the packing peanuts and this, I'm going to be very surprised if anything's damaged, but this is absolutely impressive. I'm going to take a guess that this is the motherboard, memory, and CPU that I had planned for my 8-card 3090 rig. But let me go ahead and get this all unboxed. All right, guys, so let's take a look at our haul. So let's start down here. So we actually had the actual heat sinks separate. Looks like they literally just peeled them right off. I don't know if this was the shipping company or if the individual I bought these from did this. So this was wrapped individually. So was this other one. And then kind of the motherboard CPU combos. Not the end of the world. Anyways, so these are Ryzen 9 3900Xs that you guys see here. There's one here and one here with the heat sinks as well. And these boards here are just your ASRock B450Ms. So I'm actually going to use this one and this one for individual AI rental rigs is kind of my game plan with these guys here. You know, 3900s aren't terrible. This one actually, and I don't know if they did this on purpose, I'll have to reach out. They actually left this Samsung 970 EVO Plus, which is actually pretty slick on here. So thank you. It saves me from having to buy another one, but I'll reach out to them and ask because that's a nice NVMe. Now, these are the other two that I'm really excited about that I got. So this is actually, let me grab this here. This is actually a nice motherboard for gaming. It's an MSI motherboard here. It's actually one of the mag editions. It's got the Mordor on it. And this actually has 2 sticks of 32 gig. So we're at 64 gigabytes of memory on here. And this actually has a Ryzen 9 7900X, which is actually better than any of the CPUs I have, even the one in my day-to-day rig. So I may even pull this out and put this into my day-to-day rig. I think I have like a 5950 or something like that in there. So this is actually pretty damn good. This would actually make for a really, really good rig to go ahead and put on as a single card rig. I mean, we have a single slot here. Maybe we get an NVMe and we put in, well, 2 slots here, but maybe we buy like, we actually go big and go with like a 4090 or something like that just for this setup. Cause this is actually a really, really nice setup for a single card AI rig. But then finally, let's talk about kind of why I actually spoke with this person and started to look into getting this hardware is this setup here. So this is actually the Supermicro, what is this? The H112i. This is a badass motherboard and CPU combo. So this actually, if we take a closer look here, it has a number of these X8 and 16 slots that we have in here. And actually what's most attractive is actually the X16 slot. So let me go ahead and try to aim down the camera here the best I can. So we have one X16, 2, 3, 4, 5 total X16 slots. And we're actually going to be using the bifurcation cards in order to do a total of 8 cards, 8 of our 3090s. That'll be in X8 with those cards, which will be pretty sick. In addition to that, it does have an EPIC CPU. This is a 7452 that is actually 24 cores on it, 48 threads. So pretty decent EPIC CPU for handling this. Now, the memory is 128 gigabytes of memory. And based off of my conversations with some much more well-educated people in the space in these types of larger AI rigs, we are going to go ahead and have to bump this up. So I'm probably going to bump this up to about 512. So we're going to go with 512 gigs there. And then it does support NVMe. So I'm probably going to go ahead and get like a 4 terabyte NVMe. So we're going to use this motherboard, this EPIC CPU, and then 8 3090s. But we still have a few items I do have to get at the end of the day. I'm actually thinking about, do you guys remember the GPU Risers Omega frame? I think we're going to put this on that because with all of these GPUs, 8 total of the 3090s, I was thinking about going with like the traditional 12 card rigs or 12 card open frames, but I think it's going to be too small with these bigger cards. So we're going to go with the Omega frame because we're going to need, between what we have here and each of these, we're going to end up going with 4 power supplies at about 1600 watts each. It's going to be a lot of power. We're going to need a lot more room than what I expected. I do have to go ahead and get the cards here. I've actually been talking more and more with Max Voltage, understanding how these cards work in order to not only get not necessarily the cards, but how you're actually going to take these, turn them. There's actually something in the BIOS that you can change them to support dual X8 And then you don't use like traditional risers, use these crazy expensive risers that I'm learning more and more about. I'm excited. This is something new. This is something different and something that I'm just not as familiar with. So I have a lot to learn. We're going to do a little bit at a time. We're starting to get in all this hardware, which is exciting. I'm starting to get in more and more of these motherboard combos. So I think I'm going to have to start buying some more GPUs here. I didn't want to buy any 4090s, but I think we're going to have to start to look at some here, especially for this setup. Guys, love to get your thoughts and feedback. Talk about insane packaging. That's going to wrap things up for today's video. Short and sweet. I wanted to give you guys an update on this this is a monster build to me. We'll have a future video of building this guy. I cannot wait. Other than that, guys, thank you guys very much for joining me. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, everyone. Quick announcement that I'm pumped to share with you. I've officially teamed up with the Mining Disrupt crew to help spread the word about one of the biggest crypto mining events of the year. Mining Disrupt 2025 is coming up fast, and this time it's happening in Dallas, Texas. I've personally attended the last 3 years, and I can tell you from experience, if you're serious about mining, this event delivers. Whether you're a home miner just getting started, managing a mid-sized farm, or running a full-scale hosting operation, Mining Disrupt brings the community together under one roof. Expect major hardware launches, inspiring talks from industry leaders, opportunities to meet fellow miners, connect with content creators, and brand new this year, a mining farm tour. Tickets are available right now, and use the code HobbyistMiner at checkout for 20% off. Just click the link in the video description or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Listen, I'll be there, and I'd love to see you too. Let's make it a week to remember. Mining Disrupt 2025. Here we come.